In October 1987, a historic brick building in the centre of Armadale was saved from demolition by a remarkable feat of relocation. The building was the first purpose-built Armadale School erected in 1899 and was moved whole and intact on a sunny Sunday from 3rd Road to its new home in the Minnawarra Historic Precinct, 1 kilometre away. This was the first successful move of an intact brick building on public roads in Australia's history, and was coordinated by a group of caring and determined community members, helped by volunteers, businesses, council and other people who loved a challenge and their district's history. The details of this difficult move were first addressed at a technical meeting in August 1987 between members of a relocation committee, councillors, city engineers, transport experts and local historians. They worked out the details of how to lift the 80-tonne school building, place it on the specialist Jinka trailer to transport it safely downhill to Minnawarra Precinct and position it onto its new foundations. Preparation for the move was all important. To strengthen the school building prior to the move, steel framing was fitted to support the roof structure, along with more steel girders inserted under the base of the school. 12 tonnes of steel were used in the process, adding much more weight to the already heavy load. A special polyurethane core was injected into the wall cavities for additional strength and bonding. Meanwhile, at the new site next to History House Museum, foundations had been poured ready for the school's arrival. With everything in readiness and thanks to businesses donating the use of equipment worth more than $3 million, the process of lifting the school building onto the transport trailer began on Saturday, 10th of October. 4 50-tonne cranes took almost 2 hours to get the school into place on the 48-wheel self-levelling Jinka trailer provided by Canny's Transport Company. The building, now secured on the trailer, stayed at the school site overnight, with the big move beginning at 6:30 a.m. on Sunday 11th of October. Moving day drew a large crowd of onlookers keen to see the 9-metre high load make its way from 3rd Road to Minnawarra Park. 3 prime movers were used to slowly ease the trailer off the school site and onto Prospect Road. The journey required some curbing to be removed and required help from the State Energy Commission to manage the power lines along the 1 kilometre route. Tree branches impeding progress also had to be removed. Moving slowly and steadily, the procession with its valuable cargo arrived at the park at 4:30 p.m, having taken 10 hours to complete its short journey. Having arrived safely at its new location, the school building was lifted onto its new concrete pad, next to History House Museum and the old Armadale Congregational Church building, which was being rebuilt brick by brick in the new Minnawarra Heritage Precinct. Both buildings were officially handed over to the City of Armadale on Anzac Day 1988, completing a remarkable community project.